Okay, we're going to start putting some money in how much these resources cost. So with that, we're part 1, lesson 4, topic C. Let's get going. Okay, this is our resource sheet. Okay, we're going to be working with our concrete contractor. Okay, I double click on concrete contractor. This pops up. This is our dialog box. I'm just going to open up the cost tab. And it's going to allow me to put in 3 things into this thing. One is the standard rate. That's when he's working during normal hours. Overtime rate, how much he gets paid for each hour of overtime, or how much per cost. So I'm just going to enter those in there. So this is what I've done. I've entered $50 per hour standard rate. Overtime rate is $75 per hour and 0 per use. And note the /H, that means per hour. That's an important part. So now when I start doing the project, I'll be able to know how much I'm paying this guy for each hour he works and when he works it. Now if you look up at these tabs here, right, see A, B, C, D, E. For each resource, I get a special cost rate table. In this case, tab A refers to the concrete contractor. If I have another resource, I can put that in tab B, another resource in tab C. I make these tables for each one of my resources, resource cost rate tables. Okay, let's do the activity. I'm going to enter the container rental cost. I'm just going to change this from a 100% to 200%. And there's a close-up of it, 200% max use. Now I'm going to move over here to the standard rate column. And I'm just going to put in the standard rate for this container, which is about $20 per day. Note this default is per hour. Make sure you change that to day. Let me show you. And this is exactly how I typed it in. Now we're going to enter the cost for the waste dumping fee, which is basically $150 every time we do it. And there it is. So every time we take out and dump some waste, you got to pay 150 bucks. Okay, let's put some cost information in for our maid service. Okay, under tab A, I'm going to come down here to our cost, and I'm just going to put $40 an hour. So every time this maid comes in, we're going to pay him or her probably about 40 bucks an hour. And I went down the first empty row, went back to December 15th, 2016, and I entered $50 per hour. So what that's doing is project says on December 15th, the rate goes from 40 bucks an hour up to 50 bucks an hour. And we do that just by entering the information in a new row. Select OK and save your project.